Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, we're going over DTA FAQs and commonly asked questions. So guys, this is part 2 of the DTF FAQs and Q&A. The first question guys, what RIP software do I use? I personally use 9.03 and I also use RIP VER 10.01. But I am more familiar with the Acro RIP software 9.03. That's the one I mostly made all of the tutorials on this channel from. Next question guys, average cost per print. How much does it cost to print? That's a very good question. I'm gonna have a full-on video coming very soon guys on the details on how to calculate how much it's costing you for each sheet of your DTF. So how much it's costing you per sheet. What do you mean by this printer may give you headaches? Overall, this printer is a really good investment. I would just give myself a lot of time to learn. Like previously mentioned in a lot of videos, if you have the time and patience and also the financial capabilities to be able to, invest that money and not see a return on your investment right away, you're going to be able to make a lot more money in the long run because you won't be stressing out every single day trying to figure out how this machine works properly. Now, as I said, there's a lot of videos online to help you, not just my channel, but online in general. There's a lot of videos to help you through your DTF inquiries. So I'm not worried that you guys will be able to, really fully understand the DTF technology. But at the beginning, it's normal that you have trials and tribulations. So I just want to give a big disclaimer that it may give you headaches at the beginning, but if you're ready to, take your patience and roll up your sleeves, I believe that you'll have an amazing experience with DTF overall. Can you print on any type of colored garment? So let's say blue, black, white, whatever the case may be. Yes, you can print on any type of garment, whatever the color. Do you have an update on this DTF printer so far? Now this can mean two things guys. This can either mean, have I experienced like updates in the software? I have experienced a few updates in the software, but what I think this person means is like, what are my thoughts like right now today of this printer? And I can confidently say that my thoughts did not change. I still vouch for this printer. I still very encourage you guys to go out and buy this printer if you're financially able to. I think this printer is a no-brainer if you got the budget for it. I think that this printer is a really good investment to any type of print shop because when you think about it, besides vinyl, you're really limited in what you can offer to your clients when it comes to very good quality and also keeping all those colors, So DTF I think is a no-brainer compared to screen printing in my personal opinion. Where did you get this printer? I got this printer on Amazon. I'll have links down below. These links help out the channel. If you click them, I'll earn a small commission on your purchases. Those small gains cost nothing to you, the consumer. Does the machine come with a software? Yep, the machine comes with its own software. And guys, that was pretty much it. The second installment of DTF FAQs and Q&As. I hope you found this video somewhat helpful. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.